class is virtual, so I decided to grab lunch first and join the Zoom because suddenly the Zoom meeting got ended. So I'm gonna check it out in my room while eating. So this is my usual pokey and I'm gonna eat my lunch. Okay, I'm currently doing my philosophy homework. Hi guys, I look really chopped right now, but it's fine. I have not been talking to the vlog in quite some time. I've been just, even my mom mentioned this to me. She was like, why are your videos really short and why is it just like snippets of it? So I guess I'll talk more. But I have just been on my laptop doing all work. It's my first day back after spring break and I have so many assignments already lined up. Wonderful. But it's okay. I'm slowly working on it. I've been doing my philosophy reading annotations. Yesterday I did my IR reading. Now I'm gonna start my rhetorical arts paper. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Okay guys, let's get dinner because I'm so hungry. The last time I ate was for lunch at 12:30ish. Let's go eat. Amazing, so good. Also, I think I'm gonna watch this new Korean drama. Okay guys, so I'm craving something sweet and I have bread and almond butter and chocolate chips that are, the chocolate chips are dark chocolate chips and they're sweetened with dates, so they're like very healthy apparently. They look like this. Like if you're craving something sweet but your body reacts not well with sweets, I just started doing this like this week, so we'll see how it goes. It's so cloudy today. Hi guys, so I just finished my class and it ended early. I'm gonna go back to my dorm and then later at 9. Hi guys, so I just finished class for the day and now I'm going back to my dorm to finish a couple of work. And then after that, I'm going to go to my Pilates class. Hi guys, so I just finished class and my class was really quick. It started late, it ended so early because of a miscommunication on the syllabus. Anyway, I'm now going to have a slice of this high fiber bread that I've been so obsessed with, and I'm gonna have a protein bar as well and then go to Pilates class. Okay. So right now I'm writing notes from my readings that I will be discussing tomorrow in class for philosophy, and then just like putting it on my handouts. But this was the previous class handout, and then like tomorrow I'll get a new handout for it, and then that's where I'll put it, because it just helps me remember what I read, because there's so many things to read about and those readings are going to be tested in an exam. So yeah, I'll be tested for it, and this is the way for me to remember.
Just worked out, did a good incline, and now we're gonna get some smoothies.
Yay!
Love day.
1.9. Update after I think 2 hours. This is what it looks like, and we are still boiling some more because our pot is that. Hi guys, so now I'm back in my dorm and I'm gonna have lunch because I'm so hungry. I finished both of my classes today and I'm just gonna work on my paper and probably work out, but we'll see.
These are the best tasting freaking brownies.
Okay, brownie check.
Express, but she doesn't want to finish it. So I'm helping her. Go. Can I say hi? Hi guys. Alright, so here we have lo mein and there's shrimp and there's chicken as well.
Fire.
Unfortunately, it's
You
not
won't eat these
vegan.
because they're too healthy.
No, I was just kidding. I don't want that because I'm being healthy and I can't eat chocolate.
What? Since his Spanish doesn't like to try sweet potato.
No, I like sweet potato.
It looks so good. Vlog, look at the vlog.
Whoa! That's so tough.
Hello! Hi guys, so it is currently 10 p.m. and I'm outside walking to go to surprise one of the Elmo members, and I have not showered, and yeah, tomorrow I have an 8 a.m. but it's okay. Hey guys, so I just finished my class and I'm going to go back to my room because I still have time before my next class, about like 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait in my room and catch up on some work, and yeah. It's currently 11:50 and I'm done with my philosophy homework and also my paper. I just need to reread it and then submit. Okay guys, so I have this genius idea that I'm going to have omelet. So this is my lunch today. It is omelet and I also have a strawberry banana smoothie with my whole wheat bread. And I think that's gonna taste really good. Cheers. Oh! So good. Hey guys, so I just changed and now I'm gonna go get dinner, and then after that go to CVS and go to my meeting. I'm so hungry. Tebak apa hayo? Okay guys, so I just came back from class and I'm having this beautiful thick cheesy omelet with mushroom, tomatoes, onions, and spinach with cheese. That's it. I didn't put any bacon, and then I'm gonna have it with bread again like yesterday. And for dessert, I have the sweet potato brownie and pineapple with tahini. So I'll show you guys when I'm going to eat the dessert. So I don't use any sauces. The only seasoning I give is pepper and basically salt and pepper. First bite. It's better if you can toast it, but since I'm in a dorm and we can't toast any bread because we don't have a toaster, so I don't toast it. But if you can toast it, I think it's gonna taste 20 times better. That, and then I fold my bread like that, and then I eat it. Literally so flavorful, and it has all the proteins, the carbs, the veggies. So yeah, ta-da! Looks like that, and then Eat it. Now I have sweet potato brownies. They're actually really good and healthy. So, and now I'm having lunch, and I'm having a turkey sandwich that I haven't had in quite a while. I have it with pesto mayo, only on one side, with turkey, onion, pickles, lettuce, and cheese. To football